Hello everyone. Okay, so thank you for joining me for video number 6 of our Steam Kit series for this fall. You can tell that it's fall because I have lovely golden flowers behind me. Today we are going to be doing our tornado in a bottle experiment. Once you have everything out of your bag, we can start to set up our jars. Follow the instructions on the printout, and here in the video I'm going to show you how I did mine. I also wanted to note very quickly that my jar is going to look different than yours in the video. That is okay. This experiment will still work. So while we're following the instructions to put these together, an adult should help you with putting the soap in the water, and also they should help you screw that lid on tightly because we don't want it to leak and make a mess. If you're having difficulty actually seeing the tornado, the vortex made by the bubbles, you might have too much water inside the jar, and that's okay. All we have to do is unscrew the lid and empty a little bit out. If you look at your index finger, you should have at least enough space from the tip of your fingernail to this first little crease where you can bend it. And that should be enough space. Once you swirl it again, you'll be able to see the tornado. Additionally, if you want like a clearer vortex and the swirl, you just can't get the hang of it, that's okay. Just open up the top and use a spoon to spin it around, just like you would dissolve some of that salt and baking soda in previous experiments. All right, guys. Now that we've done the practical part of our experiment, let's talk about the science behind it. So we're going to talk a little bit today about centripetal force. So what is centripetal force? It is the force that allows us to see the vortex in the jar. You might have observed it other times, like if you had a full sink of water at home and were draining it and noticed a little tornado of air near the drain. And it doesn't just apply to water, it also applies to air, as in with real tornadoes. And also physical objects, like me, or a roller coaster. When you see a roller coaster go through a loop and not fall as it's upside down, it is also due to centripetal force that it stays up on the top of the loop as it moves through. And that's it for this week. Thank you so much. This is one of my favorite things. Actually, one of my first toys ever was actually a tornado in a jar. So I will see you all next week. Thank you.